Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the new locations underwater city in Phase 8. In this latest update, there is a brand new location called Underwater City that you can unlock. First, just go to the Planetary Observatory like this, Planetary Observatory Island, and then just find the NPC, Submarine Operator like this, talk to him, and then next, just accept the quest, and for this quest you need to collect 20 cosmic tailfish. It looks like this. This fish, it's uncommon fish. And the good news is that this fish can be caught like on this island, so you can start fishing immediately on here. And once you have collected all 20 cosmic tailfish, just go back to the NPC like this, and then just confirm to complete the quest. And after that, you will automatically be taken to the new area, Underwater City. In here, before I have already completed the quest, so I will click on use submarine like this. You will automatically be taken to new area, new locations, Underwater City like this. But here's an important tip. When you want to complete this quest, make sure the 20 cosmic tailfish are still in your backpack. Do not sell them first, because this quest requires you to give the fish directly to the NPC, not just have them recorded in your collections. So if the fish are not in your backpack, you won't be able to finish the quest, even if you have already caught 20 or more before. And okay, that's how you can unlock Underwater City in Phase 8. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!